If you want to learn how to make this beginner-friendly tote bag, keep on watching. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a beginner-friendly denim tote bag. To make this tote bag, you're going to need denim fabric. I picked this up from Walmart, webbing, or any sort of fabric straps. I picked up this webbing from Amazon. And patches in order to customize your design, and I bought these from Amazon. You want to make sure you are using the folded edge of the denim fabric so you will have 2 layers of fabric for your bag. After making sure you have 2 layers of denim fabric, you can cut your fabric 17 by 16 inches, so 17 inches for length and 16 inches for width. In order to make your front pocket of your tote bag, you want to grab extra denim fabric and measure 10 by 10 inches, 10 inches for length and 10 inches for width. After cutting out your pocket, you want to fold about 1 inch down on your fabric on one side, pin and sew. After sewing the top portion of your pocket, you want to iron down about a 1 inch seam allowance on all sides of your pocket. Next, grab your bigger piece of denim fabric and make sure the folded edge is closest towards you and place your pocket right on top. Next, you can pin your pocket to the front panel of your bag. Make sure you're not pinning it to both pieces of fabric. It should only be pinned to one piece of your denim fabric. Once your pocket is pinned down, you can sew. After sewing your pocket, you want to turn your bag inside out, pin down the side seams, and sew. After sewing both sides of your bag, you want to iron open your seams, and on both corners of your bag, you want to measure about 1 inch and pin and sew. This will give your bag the box-like effect. Next, with our bag inside out, we want to fold about 1 inch down of our denim fabric in order to insert our straps. For the straps on my bag, I measured the webbing about 26 inches. You can always make yours longer if you'd like. Next, you want to add the piece of webbing under your folded fabric and fold it up and pin. You want to make sure that the second pair of straps that you are placing on your bag match up with the other pair of straps. After adding your straps, you can add some additional pins and then sew. And last but not least is the funnest part of this project, where you can customize your bag with different patch designs. I had a really hard time deciding what patches I wanted to use and ended up using these emoji patches. I feel like it made my bag look super fun. And there you have it, a cute beginner-friendly denim tote bag. I love this project so much. I honestly can't wait to make more. Be sure to follow and subscribe for more content like this. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube at the Charmaine Marie.